The Testo Smart Probe Kit I is an exceptionally user-friendly tool designed for HVAC professionals, streamlining the process of installing and servicing air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration systems. Featuring automatic calculations for superheating and subcooling, this kit provides real-time data and comprehensive reports to increase efficiency in your work. The Testo 605i thermohygrometer is notable for its bendable probe head, which allows for versatile temperature measurements in challenging locations such as ducts and crawl spaces. With the Testo 115i, users can quickly and reliably measure pipe temperatures thanks to its wireless design and robust grip. The Testo 549i pressure gauge is designed for precision, offering accurate high and low pressure readings and simplifying service tasks with its convenient 45-degree connector. Completing the package, the Testo Smart Probes app enhances the user experience by enabling remote reading and logging of measurements, along with the creation and sharing of customized reports.